Hello friends! Today we are reviewing the newest Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, a smartphone that again raises the bar for devices in the middle segment. You will find out everything about its design, characteristics, cameras, performance, and of course you will find out whether it is worth its weight. Let's go! First, let's look at the design. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus received a stylish case with rounded edges and premium materials. The back cover is made of durable glass with a glossy or matte coating, depending on your choice of color. There are three main colors to choose from: black graphite, pearl white, and azure blue. The thickness of the case is only 8.8 millimeters. The weight is 210 grams, which makes it convenient to use with one hand. On the back panel stands out a massive block of cameras with a metal frame, which gives the smartphone a premium look. The main star of the device is its 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This means smooth animation and perfect picture. The brightness reaches 3000 nits, which allows you to comfortably use the smartphone even in bright sunlight. Plus, screen protection Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which provides resistance to scratches and shocks. The camera system deserves special attention. The main sensor is a powerful 200 megapixel with f1.65 aperture and optical stabilization. It provides incredibly detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. Complemented: 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 120-degree viewing angle for shooting landscapes and group photos, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Front camera, 20 megapixels, ideal for selfies and video calls. The portrait mode function with intelligent background blur is supported. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus works on the basis of the latest Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, built on a 4nm process. This is one of the most powerful processors in its class, which copes with any task, from games at maximum settings to working with heavy applications. The smartphone is available in versions with 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes, LPDDR, 5X RAM, and 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes, UFS 4.0 storage. Productivity is at its best, and you will definitely not have a problem with insufficient memory. The battery, with a capacity of 5,100 milliamp hours, easily withstands a whole day of active use. And thanks to the support of 120-watt fast charging, you can charge your smartphone from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes. This is just salvation for those who are always on the go. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus supports 5G, which provides lightning-fast internet. There are also Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, IR port for equipment control, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. By the way, the fingerprint scanner is built into the screen and it works incredibly fast. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is a combination of a top display, powerful hardware, flagship cameras, and incredible charging. It is suitable for gamers and for those who value high-quality shooting, and for ordinary users who want to get the most for their money. If you liked the review, like it, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments what you think about the new Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.